I am filming this video on a Sunday and it's a beautiful Sunday, guys. I'm so excited, but today I am a little down. My voice may sound different because I'm a bit low today. So guys, without any delay, let's start with our video, which is the Nykaa haul video yet again. And that's because Nykaa is having their anniversary sale. And who doesn't want to invest in a sale which is so fruitful? So here is my package. So this is what I have. I had 4 packages. I have unboxed everything and put them everything in one box so that it's easy for me and it's easy to you know, to see and not open it one by one and just go on. So let's get started with this video. Now this is what I have, everything. Like these are my bills and this is all what I have inside. I am pretty excited. I'll be listing down all the prices what I got for this in discount in the description box. So make sure you check that out and let's get started. Now the very first things which I would love to show you is something which I wanted from a very long time, and I am so happy I bought it now. The Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. I am in the shade Beige Vanilla, and definitely will come back to you with the review on it soon. And this is priced at $575. Yes, it's for $575 and I got a good discount on that, so make sure you check the description box. Okay, the next thing what I bought is this Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream. Again, this is exactly like the normal CC cream which they have in their range, and it is priced at the same thing, and it is they have the color variation is also exactly same. Only the thing is that the packaging of the inside product is quite different, and it's like rose gold color tube and it's very pretty. Definitely again I will be back with a review for this for you guys. Now this is priced at $275 and I got it for $220, so that's again amazing. Third thing what I bought from Lakme is their Lakme rose powder with sunscreen. I wanted a loose powder for a very long time. Sorry, I wanted a loose powder for a very long time, and I didn't want to invest in some expensive products. So I thought, why not buy this? It is like this. You get a quite amount of product in this, guys. And this is the rose one, and it smells amazing. You get a sponge, but I think a brush would be more convenient to use. So I think this was a good buy. The price, again, I have no idea. I have a bill. I have all the bills with me. So if you want, I'll just check this out. Okay, let me tell you, the Lakme Weightless Foundation is for $575 and I got it for $431. So it is the best buy which you can do on Nykaa sale. I am not getting the price of this loose powder. Okay, yeah, I got it. It's for $150 and I got it for $128 rupees. So I think something a product like this for $128 rupees and just to give a try is just the best thing which you can do if you are not using loose powder and you want a loose powder to set your concealer under your eyes or even your foundation, even your BB cream. So I think this was the best idea to buy. I am really excited. Now still moving on to Lakme, the next thing what I bought from Lakme is this Frosties, you know, the range from their Frosties. I bought 2 colors. One is this peach Frosty and one is this red Frosty. It's for $220 each, but I got for $165 each. So I think they are the best buy. If you want a review, let me know. So now moving on to the brand which is my personal favorite is the Maybelline brand. I bought their Color Show creamy matte lip color in the shade Rock the Coral. I already have one shade which is the Flaming Fuchsia and I'm quite happy with it. I'm really happy with it. I'll be using this and I will definitely review these 2 lipsticks from their range. I will put my hands on the other colors as well, but that may take time because right now I have a lot of lipsticks and I will not more invest in cosmetics than this. Anyways, now let's run on the second one, which is the Pink Alert lipsticks from Maybelline, and I have the Paw 2. It doesn't has name, it just has Paw 1, Paw 2, Paw 3. I have the Paw 2. It's a nice, you can say a pinkish tone. Definitely will review this also, because my friend has this same color, and she just gave me the swatches on my hand and just love the color, love the texture and everything. But I will review it once I like just use it. Next thing from Maybelline. Okay, I just forgot that I got this Color Show. I got this Color Show lip matte lipstick. It's for $325 and I got for $293, so again a good buy. Now this one I got in an offer. I don't know the actual price of this single product, but I got it in a combo with this. They both were together, and I got this for $450. And I was out of this, and I wanted this for my next one of my videos, which will be coming up on this channel. So I bought this together. So this together was for $450. The next thing what I bought was the lip balm. Till now I just own 2 lip balms. One is from Khadi. It is a small tub, you know, a small container in a chocolate flavor. And then I have Nivea's peach lip balm. I wanted to try Maybelline because I'm a fan of Maybelline now, so I had to get this shea butter and vitamin E watermelon flavor Electropop from their range of Electropops. So now moving to the Body Shop. I bought one thing from Body Shop because I wanted to try something in skincare. So I bought this the Body Shop strawberry hand cream, and I couldn't resist but just to try, and I tried it once, and believe me guys, it smells like it. The fragrance is amazing. It smells like strawberry pulp in your hand. It's just very good. I just want to try this for 2 weeks and see whether this helps in softening and for your hands and everything. The next thing which I bought is from Vega, and oh yeah, let me tell you, this was for $350, no discount. I got it for $350, no discount. The next thing which I bought is an eyelash collar, which I didn't have, so I thought why not try the Vega. So I bought this Vega eyelash collar. It's for $175 and I got it for $150, so 25 rupees off. So here it is. The second last thing which I bought is the Roots nail filer. I was quite disappointed with this because I thought, as I saw on Nykaa, I thought it's going to be a long one, but it isn't. It's such a tiny one, so not quite happy. But it's very fancy, as you can see. I hope my camera is focusing. It's very fancy. It's a girl made on the filer, and it's quite fancy. It's for $75 and I got for something 60 rupees, so there was a discount. And the last thing what I bought is something that everybody needs for summer. This Cara Refreshing Facial Wipes. Cara is first time what I'm trying. It's in mint oil and aloe vera, so it's very good for the summer. It's very minty, and aloe vera is good for your skin. This is for 95 rupees. I got it for 76 rupees. It has 30 wipes, so I think it's quite good and handy. So guys, that's all I had in my haul, and I hope you like it. So guys, I'll see you again in my next video. I hope I've not dragged this video yet again and you enjoyed it without any boredom. Okay guys, I'll see you again. No more talkings. Till then, be happy, be stylish. Bye.